Hello, this is Leela from Miss Leela Pink Journey. Thank you so much for stopping by and watching my process as I create a few custom tags for clothing, wigs, quilts, etc. The first thing I'm going to do is share with you my process of printing from my Epson F570 printer. I have several sets to complete today, so stick around and watch me print and press. The first thing I do is I lay out my ribbons across the top of the actual prints. I spray them with 505 spray. It's a temporary adhesive, and I'll share with you that in a few minutes. I lay them right across the top. In this set, I did a bunch of different shapes and sizes because I was testing. I'm going to press these for 60 seconds at 400 degrees. The first set was my testing set for several different shapes and sizes. They turned out quite well. This next print is one set of a requested tag. After it prints, it automatically cuts the paper. I am removing the completed 24-inch rolled print. With each set of the custom ribbons, I am going to press for 60 seconds at 400 degrees. When time is up, I hold the handle and slowly lift my press to help reduce ghosting on the ribbons. The next set is complete. I will share with you the outcome. Just about perfect. The next set is ready for pressing. I'm going to spray it with this 505 temporary adhesive. I've used this before each press today. You'll find a link below this video with more info on that spray. Here I'm just giving you a quick peek at how I lay the ribbons right across the top of the printout. I always use butcher paper or parchment paper under everything I press and across the top of everything I press in order to protect my press. I'm using two sizes of ribbon today, 7/8 and 1.5 inch. I purchased these ribbons at different places, some at Joann's store, some at Hobby Lobby. You can kind of tell by the brands there, the different places where I may have picked them up. Oh, I've also ordered some from Amazon. The next set is complete. SJP Designs LLC actually allowed me to design these tags for them. I created them in Silhouette Software Studios Business Edition. Next up, I'm sharing with you how I laid down these larger ribbons, tags, labels, and I am going to press them for 60 seconds at 400 degrees as well. Spraying with the 505 adhesive or other removable adhesive, you're able to flip the actual sheets over so that the printout is on top when you're ready to press. The next set is coming right up. Remember to lift your press slowly and remove your top sheet slowly. Thank you for watching my process as I print and press tags, labels for clothing, quilts, wigs, etc. Please like and subscribe to the channel. It helps the channel to grow. Share with others. I would love to bring more content to the channel. Don't forget to check out the description box for some of the items that I have used. Take care and stay safe.